Hello, it's Thomas back again. Still got that panel shot that I'm showing you, just so you can still see that level of detail. Maybe it'll be something eye-popping and catching, so you actually view this video so you can see a lot of my typography work and my 2D design work, so you can see the level of detail that I put into things and level of consideration I put into things. Yeah, I still keep a dead mouse playing in the background because it helps me just to keep my conceptual ideas moving along so I can actually get a lot of stuff done. I've laid out a bunch of compositions that I've done. These were for my advanced life drawing class that I had to do. Right here we got the 4 horsemen of the apocalypse, set in the 4 different types of styles of composition, being horizontal, a spiral, vertical, and diagonal. And then of course you have war, conquest, pestilence, and death. Here we got some typography work. This was a script that I made myself. The actual words are come from a Teen Coons book called Dragon Tears. I don't. The quote is not my own, but the lettering is. I further developed it and made it a font for a book series that I'm helping illustrate. This is just using different typefaces to actually create words using those typefaces. Here's a book that I had to create for my current typography class that I did, all handcrafted, all my own work in it. More panels from typography. I'm just showing conceptual stuff. How you actually develop a logo sometimes, just using type itself. Here's various models that I've done. Just learning different materials, how to use them, create them and everything. So it's foam core, we got some brass and stuff, basic foam, sculpey, styrene, Bristol, things like that. This I had to do for a human factors course. I actually had to make a full layout of a house, well actually a loft, to set it up so I can actually depict everything in the loft. This was also for the typography class, just once again using the other word logos that we created. We actually made up fictitious companies and developed logos for them, and then did full letterhead sets and stuff. And then here's 2D stuff. We've got a gradient here, like you wouldn't be able to tell it, but it looks like the gray flows down the page, but it is set to that color strip code. Here are the other 2D form stuff. Just set the design and then actually taking color and turning it into a gray tone and setting the 2 color strip scales. This is 2D design using colors, various things, monochrome, analogous, split complements, tertiary and triadic colors. Here's a color wheel, but this is all pigment stuff, it's not digital. This was when I was still having to use acrylic, so this was a while back. But we made a composition for magazine stuff, and then you had to replicate it using acrylic. And then a progression of 2D, basically flat form, black and white. You start developing your form by adding in interpenetration, transparency, overlapping. You start using more perspective by creating convergence, actually giving it more depth, and then you progress onto infinite space by giving it a horizon line and a vanishing point, various things like that. But I just wanted to show you some more work. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you.